Hello everyone, and this is my first unboxing video. And in this video, we're going to be unboxing the DaYan Teng M 2x2. So let's open up the box here. And so first thing we have here is the cube itself. We have parts. So let's see what's in here first. So first thing we got here, we have a 2x2 tutorial, looks like, and it is very big. This may be the biggest 2x2 tutorial I've ever seen. Okay, next up, is there anything in here? We have extra springs and more springs. So they're probably different resistance or something. And now let's get into the cube itself. So let's get this thing open here. There we go. Okay, so I got it open, and it's gotta get the cube out here. Okay, so it feels like there's like a kind of, it's very matte here, but it's not too matte that it slips out of my hands. Looks very nice. You got a nice DaYan logo there. So let's get into first turns. Oh, it's a very smooth cube. Very quiet. It's very quiet. I'm just gonna do a quick solve here. It's very smooth. Alright, so let's check out corner cutting here. So let's do reverse here. About halfway on a piece, and then regular corner cutting right over 45 degrees or 50 degrees, looks like. Very quiet. It's also very smooth. It's got a nice piece design here. Let's test out the magnets. The magnets have a very slight like bump. It's very strong magnets actually. So overall, this cube is really quiet, really smooth. It's got very strong magnets in it. Let's do another solve here. I think I used the wrong algorithm right there. Yes. And this is a really nice cube. I like how it has like a kind of a white inside. Looks really nice. Overall, it's a really nice cube, and I definitely recommend it, as it was only $20, I think, on Speed Cube Shop. And if you guys like this video, subscribe. If you have any suggestions, please comment down below, and I will see you guys next time.